Love you, Leo. Let's see what's in for your daily relationship message today. And let's pick a card, a single card reading for you all. And let's open the card and see what it says. It says all that glitters. And let's see your relationship message, Leo. Sometimes we try to become something we are not to impress others. We embellish a story a bit, adding some dramatic elements to make us more appealing. The real person becomes hidden behind the sparkle and shine. Then there are times when we don't see the true value of someone else because he or she may not have the glitz and glamour that seem so desirable. Now is the time to look past the surface, beyond the mask, to the essence of a person. Who that person is, not what he or she has or can give you, is important. See beyond the glitter and look for the inner glow. Use the eyes in your heart. Let go of artifice and let what is authentic shine. And this is your relationship for you, Leo. And I'll be doing a pick a card reading after this. And for the relationship message, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Love you all.
Hi guys, for your love reading, we have like a pick a card reading, guys. So, this is the first pile, this is the second pile, and this is the third pile. So, whichever pile you want to watch, you can skip to the reading and watch it, guys. So I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck. So let's start with the first deck. I will start after some time. You can close your eyes, think of the questions you have in your mind regarding your relationship. Then you can open your eyes and choose the card you first see. So I'll be starting in a few seconds now, guys. Let's start with the first card now, guys. I'll keep these cards aside. For your love reading, for those who have chosen this deck, the first deck, these are the cards: Page of Pentacles, the Fool, Ten of Cups. With these cards for your love energies, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, this person is quite immature, maybe childish, and they are not afraid to take any rash decisions, and they are here in this connection to have that joy with you, to enjoy this connection, and maybe they will not shoulder any responsibilities, and they are quite practical, and they are not afraid to take up anything, any choice easily. So they just are here for fun in this connection, and maybe with this person you have that contentment, fulfillment, and happiness, guys. You may feel really happy, but the way they are in this connection, that their immaturity or their carelessness may stress you a little, but other than that, I see that with this person you have you are enjoying your time, you have that happiness, and you feel really satisfied in this connection to be with this person, and you love their company. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. So let's see what is the reading with the second deck. For those who have chosen this deck, we'll be picking 3 more cards, guys, from this deck. So this is your first card, Messenger of Water. This is your second card, guys, Ten of Fire. And this is your third card, King of Fire. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. So this person and yourself, you are in this deep romantic connection. You have admiration for them, and they are reciprocating that admiration, and you both feel really emotional in this connection. You both love each other a lot, and there is no place for fear and resentment in this connection. You have that perfect understanding with this person, and you feel love. That may be the reason that you are healing from your past experiences, whatever memories, the hurtful memories you had in your past. You are beginning to slowly forget it, heal from all that bad experiences today, guys. And this person is helping you, guiding you today, day to day, to have that harmonious living, and they serve as a great inspiration for you each and every day. And this person loves you a lot, and you feel really confident when you are with them. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen the second deck, guys. So let us start with the third card, guys. For those who have chosen the third deck, let us see what are the cards. So first card, it's the Chariot, Fortune's Wheel, the Star. With these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the third deck, the energy is that in your connection, you may feel quite emotional, and you are struggling to control your anger and the way you feel towards them, maybe, or it may be something of your past, maybe with your ex, or some past relationship, or it may be with your present person. But you are having that strong determination to overcome all these emotional turmoil, and you are able to find that balance. That is what is important, guys. And how your circumstances are unfolding today, you may feel that it is destiny that is playing its part. So certain changes are quite inevitable. You do not have any control over those changes, but for some of you, these changes are something positive, and you are progressing in a very positive way in this connection. Maybe you are giving up all that all that was not working in this relationship. Maybe your hurt or your misunderstanding, you are trying to find that common ground of understanding and move forward in this connection, and you have hope and faith in this connection, and this person serves as a great inspiration for you, and they are that healing energy that you have today, guys. And this person serves as a healing energy for you. So you are healing from your past, trying to understand this person if you are in a connection. But for those who are single, I also see that you will see a new person approaching you, and you may share a better understanding and compatibility with that new person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the third deck. And that is a reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this pick a card reading, pick a card love reading. You will be getting a pick a card love reading every day, and stay tuned for that. And please subscribe and comment. We'll be happy to know your suggestions. And please subscribe for more videos so you don't miss on any videos when we upload them. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.